In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the school printers to either your home computer or a school computer. It's exactly the same in both cases. So I've already logged into my RDS environment. I've got my blue bar up here at the top. And so to add the printers, I need to go into settings. So I'm going to click on my Windows start bar and click on the cog just above the power button. This will take me to settings. The display of this may be slightly different dependent upon which version of Windows you are using at home, but it will look almost exactly like this if you are doing this on a school computer. First I go to Devices, and in the menu down the left-hand side select Printers and Scanners. So you can see the printers that I've already got access to. None of those are the North or South Pole printers, so I need to add those. So I'm going to click on Add Printer or Scanner, and it's going to try and search on the network, but this isn't going to work. So we need to wait, and as you can see after a short delay, we get this statement. The printer that I want isn't listed. Now we can click on that, and this brings up this extra menu for us. We need to click the radial saying select a shared printer by name. And into this box, I'm going to type //SPS-AD-01 and then slash again. And it will start to populate for you at this point. Incidentally, the slashes that we need there are the ones to the left-hand side of your keyboard, not the ones that you're used to for web addresses, which are to the right. And the dash that we're using is the little symbol on the key next to the 0 on your keyboard. You can now choose which of the printers you would like to add. I would recommend adding both, just so you've got options. So I'll start with North Pole. So I'm just going to click on that and say next, and it will go through the process of connecting and downloading the drivers. We can then click next. I can set it as my default printer or not. There's no need to do a test page, and I can just click finish. So I'm going to go through that again, or you can see I've now got the North Pole printer here. I'm going to go through that again with South Pole. So //SPS-AD-01 and I've got South Pole there, and click next. Again, we're going to connect and get the software. Next, choose whether you want it to be your default or not. I'm primarily based at North Pole, so I'm going to untick that. No need for the test page, and click finish. So you can now see in my list of printers, I've got the North Pole, which is set as my default, but also the option of using the South Pole printer. So I can now close my settings, and any work that I want to do from this computer can now be sent to the printer. If you're at school, I'm sure you've done this before, send it off to the printer and pick it up in the usual way. If you're working from home, you can still send to the printer and your work will be there waiting for you when you log into the relevant printer once you're back on site.